Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PostgreSQL with R for statistical analysis, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have PostgreSQL installed on your system. If you haven't installed it yet, download the latest version from the official PostgreSQL website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, open the PostgreSQL command line interface, commonly known as PSQL. Create a new database for your statistical analysis by typing the command, create database your database name, replace your Next, connect to the database by typing \c your database name. Now, let's create a table to hold your data. Use the command, create table your table name, ID serial primary key, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, replace your table name and specify the appropriate columns and data types for your analysis. After creating the table, you can insert data using the command, insert into your table name, column 1, column 2, value. Now, let's set up R for statistical analysis. Open R or RStudio on your computer. Install the necessary packages for connecting R to PostgreSQL by typing install.packages, R PostgreSQL, load the package. Now that you are connected, you can retrieve data from your PostgreSQL table. Use the command, data_db getQuery, con, select asterisk from your table name, this will load the data into a data frame named data. You can now perform statistical analysis on this data frame using various R functions. Consider using functions like summary, lm, or t.test to analyze your data. After your analysis, remember to close the database connection by typing db_disconnect, con, this ensures that resources are freed up for future. You have now successfully set up PostgreSQL with R for statistical analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.